Do you want to learn how to manual? If so, then this is the perfect video for you. To start the manual process, step 1 is to find a nice, flat, clean area to manual. Then set a goal for yourself. Mine was 10 feet to see how far you can get to your goal. There are 2 types of manuals, the regular manual and the nose manual. Step 2, put your front foot slightly over the bolts and your back foot perched on the tail. Step 3, get your skateboard going at a low to medium speed. Then slowly lift your board by pushing down on the back of the tail. Bend your front knee and keep your back straight. The key to this trick is finding a good balance point and holding it. The nose manual is a similar motion, but instead of pushing on the back of the board, you push on the front. If you compare the 2 manuals, you will see that my front leg is bent on the regular manual and that my back leg is bent on the nose manual. If you want to manual an object or ramp like this, keep the board at the same angle as the ramp and hold it. Manualing is a very important skill to learn because it is used in various other tricks like manualing off a curb or doing a 360. I hope this tutorial helped you, and comment any questions or tips that you want next.